Fisher-Price Baby Playmat Deluxe Kick and Play Piano Gym. With musical toy lights and smart stages learning content for newborn to toddler. Kick playtime up a notch with the Fisher-Price Deluxe Kick and Play Piano Gym, which has 5 light-up piano keys, a repositionable toy arch, and 4 musical settings that keep your little one rocking out for years. As your baby grows from lay and play to tummy time to sitting up at the piano, you can change up the music and learning, too. Smart Stages technology lets you change the learning content to best fit your baby's age and stage, while real piano notes encourage your little Mozart to create a tune of their own. You can even detach the keyboard for musical fun on the go. Music, lights, and learning. Oh my! This musical gym is the perfect playtime spot for your growing mini Mozart. The large and colorful playmat and repositionable toy bar with 5 activity toys take baby from laying and playing to sitting and interacting. Keep the learning and music fun going and growing with the removable light-up piano, which includes 3 Smart Stages levels and 1 bonus freestyle piano play mode. Time to rock, baby. Infant activity gym with 4 ways to play as baby grows. Lay and play, tummy time, sit and play, take along. 3 Smart Stages learning levels introduce animals, colors, shapes, numbers, and real piano notes. Large keyboard with 5 light-up keys, removes for take-along play. 5 repositionable toys, self-discovery mirror, elephant teether, crinkle panda, lion rattle, and monkey cymbal clackers. Super soft and thick, machine washable playmat features loops to attach toys. Item arrives in frustration-free, easy to open packaging that's 100% recyclable. For a gift-ready box, select ship in Amazon packaging at checkout. Would you like to buy this product by Amazon? Please click here the link from video description. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to get more similar product reviews video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.